Hello, dividend executives. Welcome back. The stock market is open, so you already know we are trading options and we're reviewing our plays from last week. We had some plays that were called away. We sold some puts this morning, so let's jump into it. Let's go over it. We had a nice month and a nice recovery. So let's take a look at it. So for the day, right now, we are down 0.77%. For the week, we are up 4.68% or $238. For the month, up 14.92% or $693. Year to date, we're still down 19.23%, but all time we are now in the green of 6.12%. We made a pivot a couple of weeks ago. We ended up cutting a loss, and we moved forward with some miners, and we are just willing to deal in stocks. So we have some buying power available, $71.22. We have a current put that I sold this morning out there. Let's take a look at that. CleanSpark I saw was down 7.03%, and so we sold some puts this morning. We got 3 puts out there, and this is sitting at the 0.16 delta. If we do get assigned, great. We just lost shares on Friday, so that is okay with me, and we got paid $60 to do that. So a nice, roughly 1.3% return on our money for the week if we do get assigned. And speaking of CleanSpark, we had some shares that were called away from us. Our cost right now is $16.76. And let's jump back into history here and see what happened on Friday. We sold CleanSpark call for 18, expired on 4/26. And we got paid $90 to do it. Those shares got called away, and we received the $1,800 worth of credit, and we were back to cash. So we got 18. We're gonna try to get it back at 16, so it would save us $200 per contract. Or $600 overall. And let's see if we can get the shares back at 16. It would give us a better assignment cost. And we are now back to cash, so we have limited risk. So that's the CleanSpark put for the week. We got paid some nice premium there at the 1.3%. And we also had, let's see if I can just pull it up here. We had RIOT called away as well. So let's jump into RIOT. We had the 10.5 call. We were assigned, I believe, at the 9.5 for those. And we were paid, $1,050 for that. RIOT was $11.93 at expiration on Friday. And so we got the cash back for that as well. So if we jump down here on RIOT, we check out the history. You can see, it's not showing. That's weird. For some reason, this is showing back in February. That's all right. But you saw it there. We were assigned, so we booked the premium there. We'll jump into the spreadsheet and we'll look at that. But that was a $100 premium there. We were assigned to 9.5. We wheeled right back out at the 10.5, and bada bing, bada boom. We booked some profit there. So we booked some nice premium, and we are back to cash on the account for the most part. We have puts out there. We have 30 shares of CleanSpark still out there, and we are sitting up 6.21% on that. But we're pretty much all cash right now. So we're just selling puts, and hopefully we can just keep bringing the account value up. We are doing really good for the month. Nice 15.14%, and we just want to keep climbing. So let's jump in the spreadsheet. Let's take a look at it so we can look at the numbers. This is all of April and a little bit of March. These are the positions right here. The CleanSpark put that we opened this morning, 300 shares at the 16 strike. And then you can see here, we were assigned a couple as well, right? So we were assigned on the CleanSpark, and we were assigned on the RIOT. And this is a premium we booked. So we booked $100 premium on RIOT, $124 on CleanSpark, and that is because of the odd lots, right? We averaged our cost down, and so the odd lot brought the cost down. And so when we got called away, we actually booked a nice profit there. So $124 plus the 100 there. So $224 on share appreciation plus the call side. So pretty nice week. And then if we jump in just the totals, since we started booking this on the spreadsheet, we have made $352 on CleanSpark, $116 on RIOT. We sold a total of 5 options on CleanSpark, 3 options on RIOT, and not too bad. And that's not including the $224 of share appreciation. So really a nice bounce back in the account. It's fun willing to deal in these small stocks and showcasing what you can do with a smaller portfolio. And that's why I showcase this. It's just to show you don't have to have hundreds of thousands of dollars in order to trade this strategy. You can just wheel in and out. Sometimes, you get stuck. You have to average down. You have to have more money. But for the most part, not too bad. So that's where we're sitting at the account. I'll take 1.3% on my money for this week with CleanSpark. If we do get a sign, then we're back to selling calls. If we don't get a sign, then we just sell another put. So that's where we're at. That's the week, and that's everything I got for this week. So thanks everybody for tuning in. As always, don't forget to drop a like, and happy investing. Catch you next time.